Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The magnetic lasso tool is a great selection tool that lets the selection's border snap to the pixelated edges of an element you trace within an image. This can be useful for selecting objects with complex, irregular edges set against a high contrast background. To use the magnetic lasso tool, click the Lasso Tools button in the toolbox. Then click the Magnetic Lasso Tool button in the Tool Options bar. The first few options shown in the Tool Options bar for this tool are the same that you can set for any selection tools. However, the Magnetic Lasso tool has a few more options. The first option is the Width slider, which lets you set a pixel range from the pointer within which the Magnetic Lasso tool will look for the border of the item it is tracing. The Contrast slider option lets you set a percentage to choose the sensitivity of the Magnetic Lasso tool to variations in the contrast between pixels. This is how the tool finds the edges of image elements. Setting a higher percentage makes the tool only find edges that sharply contrast with their surroundings. A lower percentage detects lower contrast variations in color. The Frequency slider lets you set a number between 0 and 100. A high value increases the frequency with which the Magnetic Lasso tool sets its fastening points at the edge of the image element as you trace its border. The Feather slider softens the edge of the selection. The higher the setting, the softer the edge. If using a stylus tablet, you can click the Use Tablet Pressure to Change Pen Width button in the Tool Options bar to toggle this feature both on and off. If enabled, the button appears selected with a light gray shading and a square around it. If enabled, an increase on the pen pressure when using the Magnetic Lasso tool causes the edge width setting to decrease. To turn it off, simply click the same button again. After you have the settings you desire, click and drag the pointer of the Magnetic Lasso tool mouse pointer icon around the border of the image element you are trying to select. As you do this, the tool adds fastening point anchors where it discerns the edges of the object. If it adds an anchor point you would rather not have, press Delete on your keyboard to delete the previously added fastening points you have created as you drag. Then back up and redrag the line at the edge of the element. You can also manually click at any point as you are dragging to manually set an anchor point. You may need to do this in crevices and corners of the image element. To finish the selection, trace your way back to the starting point and place the Magnetic Lasso tool over the origin point until you see a small circle appear next to the tool's mouse pointer icon. At that point, click to close the selection. You can also close the selection you have made by double-clicking at any point along the way, which then draws a line from the point at which you double-clicked back to the origin point.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.